of your winter plans, then you might need to make sure that your home is ready for the winter weather that will be here soon. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, and here's a few tricks that we just wanted to provide to get your home tucked in tight for the chilly days ahead. First, examine your pipes. Make sure that the exterior pipes are insulated and any gaps have been caulked to not let in cold air. It's definitely less expensive to do that up front and not have the expense of burst pipes. Next, clean out your gutters to prevent any snow and ice damage, also keeping any critters from building nests with the extra leaves and things that have gathered through the year. You'll also want to go around any windows and doors and just feel for drafts. Gaps can definitely make sure that your heating bill gets a steady increase. Add weather stripping to the bottom or around the edge too, if necessary, to help close in those gaps. Please make sure you service your furnace to make sure the maintenance check, but also that it is safe and will be working at its prime through the really cold winter days. Lastly, prepare for ice. Salt increases traction and accelerates melting, so make sure to have some of it on hand to use on your sidewalks or driveways. Now this winter, keep the cold outside where it belongs, and if you're thinking of buying and selling early in 2022, reach out for a warm experience in finding your new home.